Why the ML/Gen AI professionals need to learn the domain knowledge. Here are 6 reasons why these professionals need to learn domain knowledge to excel in AI, ML, Gen AI, ML Ops, and DevOps roles. 1. Contextual understanding. Domain knowledge provides the context necessary to solve specific problems effectively. Understanding the nuances of the industry helps shape relevant AI/ML solutions tailored to real-world challenges. 2. Improved model performance. Familiarity with the domain allows professionals to better select, engineer, and refine features that are critical for model performance, leading to more accurate and reliable outcomes. 3. Stakeholder communication. IT professionals with domain knowledge can communicate more effectively with stakeholders, bridging the gap between technical and non-technical teams. This ensures that solutions align with business objectives and user needs. 4. Informed decision-making. Knowledge of specific industry dynamics, trends, and regulations helps professionals make informed decisions during the model development lifecycle, particularly in areas like data governance and compliance. 5. Effective problem solving. Domain expertise equips professionals with the ability to identify relevant KPIs, data sources, and potential pitfalls, enabling them to proactively address challenges that may arise during project execution. 6. Enhanced innovation. Understanding the unique challenges and opportunities within a domain can inspire creative approaches to leveraging AI/ML technologies, fostering innovation and competitive advantage. Attached sheet is an example for you to understand the transition of user story into technical service level.